Hey dolls, so I am back. So I'm going to be showing you dolls how I got this look with a headband wig. So if you want to see where this hair is from and how I installed it, then just keep on watching. Okay, dolls, so inside of the package, I did get these 3 different headband options. So they did send some, but I'm going to use my own. So those are the headbands, and then I also got a wig cap and also an elastic band that you can sew into the wig as well. So to start off with, this is how the hair looks. I did flat iron it. It was already pretty much straight, but I just straightened it even more to give it a sleek look. As you can see, it's like a 1B color, but you do have some highlights at the top. You can see whenever I'm pulling the hair back, the hair is not highlighted all the way throughout. And then this is the front of the wig with the headband. So this is how I have prepped my hair. I did flat iron the front section of my hair, and then I have the back part into little pigtails. So I'm just going to put a wig cap on the back of my hair, and then I'm going to start by sectioning off where I want my swoop to be. So I'm just parting that off so that it can be lined up how I want it to be. And then I'm going to go ahead and start to lay my baby hairs and everything into place how I want them to be as well. You don't have to wear this headband with a swoop. You can wear it straight back or however you want to, but I decided to do a swoop with this style. So I'm just doing one little baby hair swoop, and then I'm also going to go ahead and curl my little sideburn portion as well. So I'm going to go ahead and part down a little section and then take my flat iron and do a curl in it. And I'm sorry, the trash people are passing right now, but yeah. So now I'm just going to go ahead and get some edge control and lay that into place as well, so that everything just looks a lot more neat and polished. And then I'm going to go ahead and pop the headband on to my head. This headband does not have a comb in the center. It just has 2 combs on the sides. So I am going to use the 2 combs on the sides to push into the wig cap so that it can stay put and it doesn't slide back. So now I'm going to go ahead and tie off the velcro strap in the back, and then you can see how the wig is looking. So since this wig does have some highlights in it, I am going to part off a little section from the actual wig and bring it towards the front for my swoop area, just because I did want to have a little bit of highlights in my swoop area just so that the wig could look more natural looking. And don't worry, that hair that is sticking up and not flat or anything, the headband will cover that up, but you can go ahead and flat iron it down into place as well. So I'm just doing my swoop and swooping in the hair from the headband into my swoop so that you can see a little bit of those highlights in the swoop area as well. So now I'm going to take my pink Prada headband because it matches my sweatsuit, and I'm just going to pop that on. So really simple, and then I'm just playing around with the hair to make sure everything is fixed up how I want it to be. And it turned out super cute and really easy. This is a real fast, simple style to be out the door real quick. So this is how it looks, and this is the back of the hair. You can see the top part is highlighted, but then underneath it is all that 1B kind of color, and it just looks really pretty. So yeah, this is how the hair is looking, and super cute. Don't forget to check out Atina hair. I will link them down below if anyone is interested in this wig or any other items that they have on their websites. And yeah. this is the completed look of the hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, leave them down below. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.